Now we will see SQLi query fixing. So it's the second steps of SQL injection. The first step is find injection point. After that you have to fix query or you have to balance SQLi. So I will show you this on the lab first so you will understand everything about SQLi. So I already set up a lab, SQLi lab, and this is a very good lab. Slash SQLi dash labs dash master. Okay, sorry. Yes. So let's do lesson 1. See, they are saying please input the ID as parameter with numeric value. See this? So I'll give input as parameters. So how to give input as parameters? Question mark. What you have to give parameter ID? I'll give some numeric value there, like 1 or anything, any numeric value. Let's execute this. So this is a gate-based attack where we found some of the parameters. The parameter name is ID. So first step is identify SQL injections. Identify SQLi vulnerability. So some people will use single quote, some people will use double quote. But I'm using backslash. Why I'm using? Let's see the difference. See, if you will use backslash, what will happen? Okay, see, if you will backslash, it will separate something. Yes, see this. So this will help you in balancing query. If you will use single quote, see this, it's little confusing. So why we need this error? Okay, see this. Second is balance the query, or you can say fix the query. See this. In front end, they are taking this. Okay, see this front end. This is a front end. Yes. So this is a front end. Yes. In background there may be something else. In background there may be something like this: select ID equal to. There may be in single select is used for display. So it's a background command. Okay. In single quote there may be in single quote. We don't know. Okay. There may be something else like where uh, name equal to something in single quote, whatever xyz. Okay. We don't know. There may be any other queries also. Okay. So this is a background now. So we have to balance the query so we can execute any union statement there or any SQLi query there. So see, I have to identify that what they are using in background. So if you will single quote, you won't get identified. You won't get any idea what they are using. See this? But if you will backslash, see this. After backslash, see, single quote. That means we successfully identified that they are using single quote. See this? After backslash. So they are using single quote. See, so we got an error that they are using single quote. Now how to fix? For fixing, see, what if instead of ID equal to 1, what if we'll give this single quote, because I identified that they are using single quote and a minus minus plus. What will happen in background? Let's consider this as an example. So see, instead of ID equal to 1, what I am giving this? I am giving one single quote, and after the single quote I am giving what? Minus minus plus. So I gave single quote and minus minus plus. What happened? This query fixed. Select ID equal to 1 fixed. Minus minus plus comment out the other things. Other. Basically it's excluded the other part of SQLi query. SQL query. Now why we have done this? See. Now this fixed. This got comment out. We can execute any SQLi query there. That's why we balance the query. Now let's talk about the lesson 2. Lesson 2. I'll go to lesson 2. Sorry. Let's go to lesson 2. So this is just a lab. They are saying input the ID, so I'll give ID. In real world you don't have to give, there will be some parameters in get based. Now do backslash. What you got? After backslash you haven't got anything. That means in background they are using what? In background they are using uh, what? Select, we are just uh, predicting, okay? Select ID equal to, because see, after backslash we haven't got anything, that means they are using nothing, so they are using just this one. And where name equal to xyz, so in background they are using this. Then how to fix query? Let's talk about how to fix query, how to balance the query. See, I have to basically I have a control of only front end, I don't have a control of back end. So I'll give, see, I got to note that they are not using anything, so I'll give just minus minus plus. Why? See, if I'll give a minus minus plus here, in background there will be this, and we can execute any SQLi query there, and this will be commented, the other part will be get commented. So lesson 2 done. Let's try to fix. Fixing means getting same page is called fixed, okay? So minus minus plus, see, it's fixed. Now lesson 3, let's try lesson 3, lesson dash 3. So I'll give slash question mark ID equal to 1. Let's click on execute. See, now I'll do backslash. After backslash I got single quote closing. So in background what they are using? In background they are using what? Select ID equal to this where name equal to this. So how I got to know that they are using this? See, if I'll give a backslash, they will separate these things, and what they are done, see this, they separate these things. Yes, see this, we don't care about the before part, we only care after backslash. So now fix the query. I'll give single quote closing minus minus plus. Let's click on execute. It's fixed. If you will give any wrong there, it won't fix. See this, it's not fixing because you gave something wrong there. Let's try lesson 4 now. Lesson 4, I'll give a question mark ID equal to 1. Let's click on execute. Okay, now I'll do backslash here. I got they are using what? After backslash check double quote closing, so I'll give double quote closing minus minus plus. So it's fixed now. Now if you will try lesson 5, question mark ID equal to 1, execute. I'll give backslash here. Let's click on execute. I got single quote, so I have to fix single quote space minus minus plus. So this is called fixing. On live website, see this, let's turn on this website, multan.gov.pk. I have to first find, okay, so I got data equal to 2. If I'll give a backslash, I got they are using double quote, so I'll give a double quote and minus minus plus. See, it's fixing. If you are trying on this website, prime.edu.pk/login.php, so we are fixing the post based. If I'll give a backslash here, what I got single quote. They are using single quote. See this, they are using single quote. So how to fix now? You have to give what? Single quote minus minus plus for fixing. But see, in post based, plus is not working. Instead of plus, you have to give space to fix. Now it's fixed. You are not getting any error. Let's try on this website now. Okay, so let's pick any website. See this. Okay, so I got PID equal to something 320. If I'll do backslash, it's just hiding the page. Okay, page content, it's not giving me error. Then we want, see, in this case how to fix? You are not getting any error. Basically you are not getting any idea that they are using single quote or they are using double quote. So in this case you have to guess one by one. Like I'm guessing single quote closing space minus minus plus. If I'll get the same data earlier, then they are using this, but they are not using this, that's why it's not fixed. So I'll try single quote only. Let's try single quote only. See, we got the same page. I mean they were using single quote. So this is all about the fixing of SQLi query, or you can say balancing of SQLi query. I hope it's clear to you. If not, we'll have a discussion session.